Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Alamati Muhammad. Today I'm going to show you how to segregate your trash. This type of trash is recycle residual wasted. This category compose waste that can be reused and recycled, such as paper, newspaper, soft drink, glasses, straw. So today you can see that there are 4 items of recyclable items such as bottles, glasses bottles, parcel such as plastic. So you can see that in front of me I have 5 bottles, and then this is the parcel that I received for today, and then I also got a newspaper and 1 glass bottle. So I will segregate each item and I'll put the bottle here. So for the plastic bottles, I will put in the plastic section. The parcel also I will put in the plastic section. And for the newspaper, I put it in the paper sections. And for the bottles, for the glass bottles, I will put in this section. So today is day 2. You can see that I also get another 5 bottles and I'll put it here in the plastic sections. And I also got another parcel, and then this is the bubble wrap that I got together, and I'll put also in the plastic sections. And I also got 2 carton of cake and I'll put in the paper sections. For day 3, I got some gift from my sister. She gave me a box of banana milk from Nilofa, and I'll put this box here. Other than that, I also get another parcel. This is the box contain my products. During this pandemic, I become a reseller of food product. This is the example of my product. And I will put it here in the plastic section. And the box here, I will put in the paper sections. So today is day 4 and my brother gave me headphone and I'll put in here. And this is Dory skin and also put it here. I also got another plastic bottle and I'll put it here in the plastic sections. And lastly, for the 4, I got tins of milk and I'll put it in the tin sections. So today, as you can see, I got a bunch of all newspaper, and I also got last year calendar 2020 and I put in the paper sections. Other than that, I also got plastic bottles and I put it here in the plastic sections. And I also got tins of condensed milk and I put in the tin sections. And lastly, I got a glass bottle and I put in the glass sections. Second last day of my segregation. So today I got 1 bottle of Dory skin and I put it in the paper sections. Other than that, I also got shoe box and 1 egg carton. This is also included in the paper sections. Today is the last day of my segregate waste. As you can see, this is the waste that I got from day 1 until day 6. According to research, 60 until 80% of person garbage is reusable. Gather all the recyclable waste and sell it to the near recycling center. You can simply gather all of them and make money as a side pocket. Other than that, you also can use of this material if you needed to waste segregation and recycling is 2 ways to save our environment. As you know that waste segregations work under dangerous situations. So, by segregating your waste, better working conditions are created for the waste collector. So, first we have to segregate, recycling, and we will save the environment. You must Make segregations and recycling as a part of your daily routine.